checking the current routine here, we have initialization. And we have a main program normally, so first time to join. So let me check members of the group 4, how many? Currently, 5, 4 or 5, 5, and group 5, 3, and then you can join group 5. And maybe I ask the member to show him the line ID. And group 1 maybe it's a new group. You join group 4. Here you just come to, sorry. Okay, fine. Group 5, okay. Go there. First time, so let me check. So group 4, right now, how many members there? Yeah, count. How many members? Right now, 4. Okay. So first time to join, and let me, first time. Your first time to join? Okay, so same. Group 2, 4. Okay, you join group 2, that's okay. And here, oh sorry, let me make sure. Group 3? Currently only 2? 2, or maybe you come here. First time to join? So join 2, no problem, here, come here. And you come here. Good one. Here. So maybe for the row here, maybe move 1 row 2. So we have a group 2. Group 2, same. First time to join? Okay, first time. First time.
I already had.
Sure, but first time to come to the camp. Okay. Join group 3. Okay, group 3. Here. So maybe you are the leader, right? Yeah, so maybe reorganize your group. So for all of you, you need to reorganize your groups, and once finished, then update the member list via that group aligned group again. And group 1, so register and want to take the course. Make sure you want to join. Okay. And so I ask you to serve as the group leader and try to have the individual line group, and also find the name and ID so that you can then have the team members. All right. So you are the leader. Group 2 unchanged. Group 3 you. And group 4 same unchanged. Group 5 same unchanged. But you need to update group 5. And group 3 you need to update. All right, almost so first time to join. Okay, so you join group. Let me make sure. 4 for 2, and 4 for 1, and 5 for 3. And maybe you come here. Join 4. 4, so how many members? Let me make sure again. 4. Okay. Okay, so you join 5, 5, 4, 5. Okay, 5 right now. Again, let me make sure. If you don't have you don't have changes, and then you need to, then we have the update by line group. So this one, if you have the member change, then update that one. All right, let me get back to this. So we will start since F40. For the new member, we will start since F40. And then to 11:20, we just have one break. All right, we just have one break lasting for 10 minutes only. I think this one it will be easier. All right, even we have 3 classes. Okay, so let me go back to the components. We have initialization, main program, time routine, and the library, so event routine. Finally, it's the final generator. So let me count. Main program, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 routines. Data check. Is it correct? 5 routines. Main program, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. So for the others, we will use them for some further description. So initialization, we should set time clock to 0. So simulation clock, we use it. So we have a clock. And we should initialize system stats, right? All right, and we have counters. So we have a stat, correct? We have this, we have counters. Oh, well, should we have an event? Actually, the event is absorbed in stat and or maybe clock or the statistic counter. So we still have an event, but we don't have the event to serve as a component. All right, so we should have we should initialize event list. For the maybe let me check the others first. Timing routine. Timing routine, the purpose for this routine, we need to determine next event. And next event, so we need to determine next event type. Therefore, we know next event type because we apply next event time advance approach. So we need to advance the time to that time instant. And to that time instant, of course, we need to have the suitable processing associated with this simulation. If we have a timing, then we can find the next event. And next event, you need to have the processing here. We have the processing event routine. You need to have the processing. The processing here because we want to care about the measure. So we will update stats and update statistic counters, and so that we have the corresponding processing. After finish the corresponding processing, we still need to generate future events. Future event, generate all the future event. No, just generate next or the upcoming event. For example, arrival, finish, then you need to generate the upcoming arrival. If it is a departure, then you need to associate the possible departure for the customers. So we will have the future event, or maybe you think it's the near future events, and add them to the event list. And library, I think normally we should have a library, so this one I think it's okay. But the library here, we already have the main component. It's the random variable or the random number. If we have the random number, for what? Because we want to have the random phenomenon for our simulation. Well, simulation over. Simulation over, we have 2 approaches. One, we collect enough maybe events and then we stop. Or maybe time's up, so we can stop. So simulation over, we have 2 possible approaches to stop the simulation. Once the simulation can be stopped, so we can have the repo. All right, how to have the repo? We will have the measures. Well, That's it. So this is the preparation for simulation. So let me have the maybe some simple ideas. To have a simulation, we need to have a system. Because of a simulation, we need to define model. Once we have the model, right now maybe we don't have all the details about the model. Once we have the model, then we can have a simulation. To have a simulation, we choose the simple one first, discrete-event simulation. To have a discrete-event simulation, we can have a next event time advance mechanism or fixed increment time advance mechanism. But we use NATA, that says next event time advance mechanism, to have the simulation. And to have a simulation for NATA, here, this one. So that's why we have an event. We talk about generate event and move the simulation clock or advanced simulation clock according to the timing zone of events. Well, so summarize, I tried to review quickly for our current discussion. Flow chart for NATA approach. So this is the flow chart for NATA. To have a simulation, we can pass on this one. Well, I think it's enough. Even I prepare one empty slide here. I think that's enough. I already have all of these. Maybe John led, but I already have some possible idea about the current discussion in chapter 1.